Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are drawing a simple practice object. So let's start. So this is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly select all the planes and click on show. This is our sketch which we need to draw. So we can draw from the right side of the object. So we are selecting right side of the plane or the right plane and click on OK. So select right plane and click on sketch. Then draw the line. Give the dimension as 15 mm and give the relation between center of the line and the origin and take it as vertical. Now we need to give the dimension from the origin to the horizontal line, which is as 15 plus 30 plus 10 plus 30, which we can easily add into our dimension tab. So it will take 85. So our next step is to draw the horizontal line or the baseline and choose the center point of that line and origin and choose the relation as coincident. Now give the dimension to the bottom line, which is 95 mm. Again we take a line and give the dimension as 15 mm, which is as per our sketch. And similarly to the left side, draw the line and give the dimension as 15 mm as per our sketch. Now we need to draw the arc. Let me choose the arc command and draw the random arc by using the point which we have lastly drawn. And simply draw the line from that point and give the smart dimension to that line as 5 mm and the arc length as the r as 30, which is as per our sketch. Now give the more dimension to constrain our sketch. So I am giving dimension between the center of the arc and the origin point. Now our sketch is fully constrained. Now our right side sketch is complete. So we move to our left side. Now we need to draw the straight line from the end point of the 15 mm line, and then we need to draw the arc. So we are choosing arc command Now give the dimension to that arc as R30 and draw the line which can bisect the arc and trim the remaining portion and the remaining arc line. So our right side sketch is also completed and left side sketch is also completed. Now go to the exit sketch. Now we need to know that the extruded length which is 40. So go to the extrude and choose the extruded length as 40 mm and click on OK. Now we need to cut the middle portion of the object as per our sketch. So we are choosing that face of the object and click on sketch. Now take a line command and also draw the center line. Now we can draw the line and give the dimension to our line. 5 mm. And the length of the line as 30 mm, and we need to mirror our drawn line. So let me choose the line and mirror about that is center line. Click on OK. Now we need to draw the arc. So we are choosing tangent arc so it can easily connect the 2 points. Now go to the extrude cut and select through all, click on OK. Now our cut is ready. Now our cut is completed. So we are moving to our next step. Now we need to draw the slot which is at the bottom side. So go to the sketch and draw the rectangle at the bottom side. Give the dimension to that rectangle as 15 mm and height as 3 mm. We need to shift that rectangle at the center exact. So choose the bottom point and the origin point and select it as vertical. So it can automatically get the center. Now go to the extrude cut, select through all and click on OK. Now our slot is also ready. So we move to our next step. Our next step is to draw the left side portion, R30 portion. For that we need to draw the plane. So we are selecting the top face of this object and give the dimension to that offset of the plane as 40 mm. Click on OK. Now our new plane is generated. So click on new plane and click on sketch. Now just draw the object. To draw this object, firstly we select the line command. Now we select 25 mm length as the length of the line in which we can adjust at the center. by using relations. So now draw the vertical lines from that line, from the port points to the left side of object, and give the dimension to that lines. Dimension as 15 mm to the both lines. Now we need to draw the arc, so we're choosing the 3-point arc and give the dimension as R25 divided by 2, that is 12.5. Exit. Now we need to draw the central circle. Draw the random circle by using the center point of the arc and give the dimension as 10 mm diameter. Then exit sketch. Now we need to extrude it. Click on extrude sketch, change the offset direction and select as up to vertex and select the surface as the bottom face of the curvature and click on OK. Now our object is ready. This is our object. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video.